If you're seeing Framer error code 502, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back into your project as quickly as possible. This kind of error is usually caused by a temporary server issue, a browser problem, cache buildup, a bad extension, or even custom code inside your project. The good news is that most of the time you can fix it without needing anything technical. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes like this. Now let's jump right in. The first thing you should do is refresh the page using a hard refresh. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and R at the same time. This forces your browser to reload the page without using saved data from the cache. In many cases, a 502 error is just a temporary loading issue, and a hard refresh is enough to clear it immediately. After refreshing, wait a few seconds and see if Framer loads properly. If the error is still there, the next step is to check Framer's status page. Sometimes the problem is not on your side at all. If Framer's servers are experiencing downtime or instability, you may need to wait until the issue is fixed on their end. This is important because no amount of local troubleshooting will solve a server outage. So if the status page shows an issue, the best move is to pause and try again later. Next, restart your browser completely. Don't just close the tab. Close the entire browser, then reopen it and load your Framer project again. A full restart can clear temporary glitches, memory issues, or session problems that might be causing the 502 error. If the browser has been open for a long time, this simple step can make a big difference. If that doesn't work, clear your browser cache. In Chrome, go to Settings, then Privacy, then Clear Browsing Data. Select Cached Images and Files, then clear the data. Cached files are meant to make websites load faster, but sometimes they become outdated or corrupted and cause errors like this one. Once the cache is cleared, go back to Framer and reload your project. Another useful step is to try a different browser. Open your Framer project in Edge or Firefox and see if the error still appears. This helps you figure out whether the issue is with Framer itself or with your current browser. If the project works in another browser, then the problem is likely related to browser settings, extensions, or saved data in the original browser. Now check your browser extensions. Ad blockers, script blockers, privacy tools, and other extensions can sometimes interfere with Framer and trigger loading errors. Try turning them off temporarily, then reload your project. If Framer starts working after disabling extensions, you've found the cause. You can re-enable them one by one later to see which one was interfering. You should also check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause loading failures and server response errors. If possible, switch networks and test again. For example, go from Wi-Fi to a mobile hotspot or try another stable connection. This is a quick way to rule out a network issue that might be blocking Framer from loading correctly. If you recently added custom code, that could also be the source of the problem. Open your project and remove any recent scripts or custom code you added, then reload the page. Sometimes a bad script, broken embed, or incompatible code snippet can cause the editor or project to fail with a 502 error. If removing the custom code fixes the issue, add it back carefully and test each change one at a time. By following these steps in order, you can usually fix Framer error code 502 without wasting time guessing. Start with the easiest fixes first, then move down the list until the issue is gone. And if this video helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.